Welcome to the Space Cabin Audio Tutorial Series, Using a Reference Bus. There are a few reasons you need to use a reference bus when you're mixing. The first and most obvious is that you need a way to reference a track in your mix to make sure your mix is well balanced and not too dark, too bright, or generally terrible. There are many other reasons, but this is the main one for me. This problem is partially solved in some plugins, but never to my satisfaction, so here's a way to have the best of both worlds. The first thing you have to do is open your I/O settings. From there, choose the Bus tab. If you look over to the right side, you can see we have the ability to map a bus to a hardware output. Next, create a new path. Choose Stereo and name it. I name mine Ref Bus. This way, I always know what this bus is. Leaving a bus unnamed, especially in larger sessions, can be a massive headache. The next thing we need to do is assign it to the same hardware output as our stereo master. In this example, I have my mix feeding my master fader, but my reference track feeding my ref bus. Now I have my mix running through all the plugins, and another bus feeding the same hardware output, but not running through the plugins. I can now adjust my reference track to match the level of my mix without having to constantly bypass plugins and adjust volume. This also allows me to use markers to check various sections of a reference track compared to the mix quite quickly by using the shortcut on the numpad delete, followed by the marker number, followed by delete. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and remember, a mix is never done. You just run out of time, money, or both.